I've got a question for you. How long does it take you to create content for your business? A blog post, maybe 30 minutes, an hour, a high-quality image, a few hours, a voiceover, a video? Now, imagine doing all of this daily, across multiple platforms, just to stay relevant. Sounds exhausting, right? Let's be honest, creating content is hard. You have to come up with ideas, write engaging scripts, edit images, record voiceovers, and spend hours using different AI tools, each with its own expensive subscription. And sure, anyone can create one blog post or one video after hours of effort. But is that really enough? Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even Google reward consistency. The more content you publish, the more visibility you get, the more traffic you generate, and the more sales you make. But who has the time to create hundreds of videos, posts, and voiceovers every month? That's exactly what Janice Moore figured out when he built a six-figure business selling AI-generated voiceovers. Pranay Jain turned an AI chatbot business into a $2 million empire without hiring a massive team. Jason Wardrop makes thousands every month, selling AI-generated content to businesses, and countless creators are leveraging AI to scale their content and income faster than ever before. So here's the real question. What if you could create all types of content? Videos, voiceovers, images, blog posts, and even entire marketing campaigns at the click of a button. What if you had access to the same AI tools that top brands and agencies use but without paying for multiple expensive subscriptions? Introducing Workforce AI, the first all-in-one AI-powered platform that creates content across text, image, audio, and video without you lifting a finger. It's like having an entire content team working for you 24/7, producing endless traffic-driving content while you focus on growing your business. Imagine logging in, choosing what you want, video, blog, image, voiceover, entering a simple keyword, and watching AI do the rest. If you need videos, just type your topic and Workforce AI will generate trending ideas, write a script, and create a professional quality video using the latest AI models like Sora. Want images? Workforce AI taps into Mid-Journey, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion to generate stunning visuals instantly. Need voiceovers? Clone your voice or choose from 1,900 ultra-realistic AI voices in over 150 languages. Want high-ranking blog posts? Workforce AI will write, optimize, and publish them directly to your WordPress in seconds. And the best part? Workforce AI doesn't just create one piece of content. It repurposes it into multiple formats. So one blog post becomes a video, an image, a voiceover, and a social media post, all optimized for different platforms. That's how smart creators dominate every space online without spending hours on content creation. Now, think about what this could do for you. Even if you create just 5 pieces of content per day, that's 150 per month. In 2 months, that's 300. Even if each one gets you just 100 views, that's 30,000 eyeballs on your brand. And if only 2% of those people take action, that's 600 clicks, thousands of dollars in potential revenue, all from AI-generated content you didn't have to stress over. Whether you want to create viral social media content, build faceless YouTube channels, produce content for your agency, or scale your business faster than ever, Workforce AI makes it possible. And did I mention clients? Because for a limited time, Workforce AI comes with a full commercial license, which means you can create and sell AI-generated videos, images, blog posts, and voiceovers to businesses and charge premium rates. If you're a content creator, marketer, entrepreneur, or agency owner, Workforce AI gives you a massive unfair advantage. No more expensive freelancers, no more juggling multiple tools, no more spending hours on content. Workforce AI is your AI-powered content engine that does it all at a fraction of the cost. And right now, if you act fast, you'll not only get Workforce AI at an exclusive one-time price, but you'll also receive a free commercial license and access to exclusive AI monetization training, showing you exactly how to turn AI-powered content into a full-time income. Your investment is completely risk-free. Try Workforce AI for 14 days, and if you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. But this deal won't last forever. The price is increasing every few hours, and once the launch window closes, this one-time offer will be gone. Click the button below and get instant access to Workforce AI before it's too late. Your AI-powered content empire starts now.